Hello, Beavers. Today I have been contemplating whether I'm going to continue making videos for this channel because number one, I check my views every day and also the number of subscribers. And then I realized recently that my channel is stuck with 50 plus 50 plus subscribers, and I realized that it's been a month already, more than a month. But then yeah, it seems that nothing is changing. And I also saw a YouTuber today. I watched his 16-minute video content about his channel, and he shared that he's already been making content for 8 years already. He is not monetized yet. His channel is not monetized yet. So it helped me reflect whether I'm going to continue this channel. But then I realized that maybe I should not focus on targeting to earn from this channel. Instead, I have reflected that I should instead target influencing people to continue praying despite the the bumps in the road, in spite of having, especially when we are facing challenges in life. So I checked the number of viewers. I think some of my playlists, they have steady viewers daily. So maybe even if my channel is not monetized yet, I will still continue making inspirational videos, and sharing the miracles that God blessed me with, especially my answered prayers. So yeah, I know it feels disappointing to have a target number for subscribers, but again, I should focus on the quality. Focus on the people that I am inspiring with my video contents. Yeah, sometimes we have to learn to look at the silver lining instead of just looking at the expecting for the gold at the end of the rainbow. Have a blessed life, beavers.